just so you know. Let's see how steep we can get.
I'll go all the way back there.
Oh, what?
All right.
Well, yes, this is also pretty steep. Holy crap. And rutted like you can't imagine.
What? Dude. They're just flying up it.
Okay.
Dang. We're almost sideways and dying. That you can't stop. Dude, don't stop.
What is he doing?
I don't know. I think he was probably following too close. Is he gonna be able to get going again?
Please tell me he's not falling down.
He's not falling. He's very slowly rolling backwards.
We can't go back.
Don't go back.
Oh, please get your traction. He's gonna make it. He's just giving it.
Should you go to the left side a little bit?
You think? But there's lots of rocks. All right, ready? I feel like the right side is the place to be, don't you?
Sure.
You've got like the pedal like practically all the way down. Traction control is going like a maniac. We're riding in some ruts. We're about to come out on top of these. Dude, come on V8, don't let me down. Don't let me down V8. And just give me the momentum to make it up. Dude, how are we gonna get down this thing? I guess you just don't stop.
Wait, we have to come down this?
Just go. I'm scared.
The guy with We got it. And if we roll, we got seatbelts.
Dear God. Please don't let us roll. I got the pedal down.
This is awesome.
Traction control is hammering.
Oh
and
my
we
gosh.
did not yet die. Holy goodness gracious! That might be the most intense I've done. That was, I recorded it, I got it.
No!